All right, we're all loaded up. Got that. Brought the pitter today. It was just raining last night, so that's sick. Hopefully the track's not shot already. But yeah, I'm on my way bright and early. Actually loaded up stuff in like 5 minutes, threw the stuff in the truck, but we're good. Filled the bikes up with some gas, just topped them off. My 250 was still pretty full from area, so I forgot a gas can, so hopefully Ryan brought gas if I do run out. All right, so we just got to the track, checking out the pitter. What do you guys think of the freshly used Actually, this video hasn't even come out. I still gotta like film the rest of this video, so this video can go up tomorrow. Saying this is the same year and everything. Things whooped. Whoever owned it before him just beat the crap out of it. But that's like every single pit bike on Craigslist that you could find. But
I have 600 less into that than you do.
But still, this guy literally posted it the morning of. Like 5 hours later, I texted him. Look at this guy, Ryan, factory life. Got his bike, brought it in the trailer. Dude, what is it like being Ryan Griffin? Seriously, the factory life.
We get up, you know, I get paid. They set on my bike for me.
They give you like $5,000 a month just to like, just to be here,
factory
just to show
dirt
up.
Still on it.
Yeah.
On Wednesday.
Yeah. Traction MX pays you what? How much?
$6 grand a month.
$6 grand a month. That's not a bad deal, honestly. You didn't have time to clean it?
Oh shit! I'm getting a call from Yamaha.
You're getting a call from him?
I haven't ridden yet.
Cowie's calling me.
Cowie's calling you, Peyton?
What's up? Yeah, I got the bike set up here.
Get the bikes unloaded so Ryan can get his bike out.
FMF on the way.
Oh, you ordered a 4.1? Did you really? Finally, it won't sound like it's like trash.
All right.
Every Yamaha stock.
Every Yamaha.
Come on, no, seriously, like a real talk.
All right, I got you.
Stock Yamaha 250Fs, they don't sound very good. So it is personal opinion.
Hurry up.
Ryan's sick of it. He can't wait any longer.
Yamaha's gotta come out. Gotta see the sun.
It's gotta see the sun.
Oh yeah.
Well, at least I washed my bikes.
Well, freaking the sponsors didn't have time to come over.
Yeah, your mechanic didn't have time to wash the bike yet.
My
so
mechanic
that's why it's dirty still. My bike too, yeah, it's all right. We'll get over it for today, but next time it happens, guy's fired. Guy's fired. Got it. Thanks, little man.
You filming my bike, Tyler? That's illegal.
Going to me.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
You know, I got oil on my hand. This filter's mint. I don't think it'd run with that filter on there.
No, I don't think so.
You know, honestly, it's not even
it's not a big deal.
It's not even dusty today. Just run no filter. You might get better airflow, you know? Getting that fresh filter good to go. Dude, honestly, I just run it like this, just close it up. I don't know how this Yamaha thing works, but alright, we're going out for the first practice. It's a little bit muddy, so we're gonna take it easy. I'll hook the GoPro on it a little bit, let the bike warm up right now. And yeah, should be fun. Oh, huge shout out to Ryan over here for roosting the crap out of me first lap. Literally had my head turned the whole time. Not fun. It was so muddy. Not fun. Really not worth it. Not worth it to go out first practice. Not worth it, Ryan. Honestly, yeah, thank you. Yeah.
him to go on the jump. I didn't know if you were gonna hit it, and last second I was like, no, 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 no. I would boner air and then brake tap.
You win.
I just cut off. I thought. I know.
I don't want to run you over.
That's my first concern. I was like, oh fuck, I'm getting.
I was right behind you. I couldn't clear the one before, and I'm like,
I'm like, oh boy, what's
up, Dave?
I'm getting ready.
Ride that section after it and then loop back around to here.
Let me ride that section first. Oh,
alright. I said do a lap back to the finish, checker's out. Go ahead. What happened?
Almost died.
Why? What do you mean you almost died?
My leg's shaking. My leg's shaking.
Why? What'd you do?
Came over that tabletop.
Which one? On the. Hey, I didn't hit it because I didn't know what that guy was gonna do. Why?
Overshot it into the ruts. Like that's how far I was into the ruts, and I landed.
Sketch.
I was like, I landed. I was like,
you're stupid. You don't gotta hit it that fast. What'd you hit it, fourth? You could do that in third.
I'm fucking shaking.
Dude, take it easy. Just having fun. I didn't get anybody out there to film yet. I might just run the GoPro. It's perfectly fine. Ryan over there almost wadded himself apparently. He only did. I got it on GoPro before, but he's too busy texting his girl right now.
I was shaking. I landed in the ruts.
You're right. The bike over, everything was coming loose. My seat almost fell off. All this is coming out missing that. The shroud, the whole radiator was loose. Somebody must have loosened it up on me because I know it wasn't loose like a week ago or on Wednesday when I rode it. So I don't know. Oh man, feels good to take these finally off. They came all undone in my under the pants and then they're screwed. My voice is getting worse because I'm getting more sick. Shout out to Ryan with that camo hat. thing's dope.
Anthony right now.
Yeah, right? Anthony off to the side. Got the pit bike gang right now. Oh man. Since this tire shot, it's all like the beads off, as you can see right there. It's like
Just burn your tire off.
Right guy, dude, that
What?
the new lid's sick.
You like it?
Can't mess up the comb over, huh? We're all loaded up. Rode some pinners for a bit. We're heading out. Alright, so I just got home. I got the bike unloaded. As you can tell, I'm losing my voice so bad. I'm just gonna end the video here. But yeah, I still gotta finish film. My voice is so bad right now. I'm gonna go and film the rest of the reveal video for this 110. Put the bars on, the throttle tube, the grips and whatnot, and then cap that video off, because this one's coming out before this riding video. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.